Yo, a Sunday morning. A nice piece of Sunday morning, yo. Just feel the vibes, let's get up and do what see me I do right, Kinda didn't want to get it done because place it look like it overcast. And say the rainy season mean and know, so we want to get this done before the rain come down. Good morning, viewers and subscribers. Morning. Back again with the next one. Alright? Yeah, so what I do right now is I move them granite sand from right which part of the right now because I plan and fully know the right whole of the area with stone and dirt, right? So when we do the decking, yes, I would have enough time to set. So in the meantime, I'm going to go and watch me I do. That is it. Alright. For the longest time now, I look for a mason man. A good mason man. To put up the ballista them for the veranda. And yo, people me are telling you, yo, you have a problem to find a good mason man. Cause I just want just go pick a man because him show me a couple pictures and say, yo, him work on the house there. Or somebody recommend a man and him say, yeah man, I go to work. A good mason man that, yo. Now I go after them because something, yo. Get me and say, so I'm kind of skeptic when it come on to finding people for work on my house. Cause me don't want to go through the same thing when I go through back then. Cause I go there for oversee everything still. You get me and say, so we can watch and see what them are going with and think. But me I telling the people. So me I telling them say, yo, I find a mason man. Right? Somebody recommend one. And I reach out to the brother. I make me know say, yo, I come check on the place. Right? Say, alright, come check on the place and come give me an estimate of how much it's gonna cost to put up the ballista then. And I say, alright. So me I telling the people say, yo, days go by. I don't hear nothing from them and I call them and I say, yeah, hey. Come give me a link. No people. So I say, alright, I'm not call him back. So about 5 days go by and him shout me. Right? So him shout me now and make me know say through look rain a fall what he couldn't and he did have work. So I say, alright. You understand? So I say, alright, man, link me the following day. I'll know the man can't live. I'll know people. So I take that as a sign. I take that as a sign. I say, God, I say, yo, and I him if we make work on the place. Right? Because I don't want to make him work on it and go mash up the thing and go. You get me? I say, I gotta show me sign. So I accept the sign then. Right? You know, when you look on things still is a good workman hard to find. Right? I mean, take the time and find a good workman then. Because I'm not going to speak any man. For them come spoil up my house. So, basically, what I want to be done in the upcoming months is I have, as I said, the ballista to deal with. And I have a couple more rendering that I love to do, especially on the bathroom at the finished side of the house. Right? Yeah. And the flooring. The need to deal with the flooring, right? As you can see, the electrical pipe them on the ground them, need to cover them. Yeah, the front room and the back room, and also I love to do it at the bathroom as well. So, in the upcoming months, God bless me with some cash flow, right? Some money flow, cause as I said, nothing can't do without money still. Get me? I said, I know say house take a lot of money, right? A lot of money and time, sweat and tears. As what them say, who feels it knows it, alright? And I have felt it, right? So I know say it gonna take a lot of struggles to finish this house, right? So it's going to be a journey, a very lengthy one. Hopefully not that lengthy, because I love to move in this part of the house, right? It's been a long time now. Yes. And I know say enough people out there right now we are dealing with the same thing we are dealing with. And people, here we go, and say the longer we take work on our house, material are go sky high, right? Material price now dropping up. It a go up and it a continue go up, right? So that is the next issue right that's up on its own, right? Material, because there's a ton of material me need right now for my place, right now, and I can't buy at this moment. I love to buy right now for at least go and hold on it until I'm ready to use it. You can't do that right now. I guess we the bound to go through them things, and we decide say, we're gonna build a house from scratch. Most people never know say these are the things we would normally have to go through before we can complete our house. Yeah, man. I mean, back then material is cheaper still. Yes, I remember one time when cement was for $500. Our cement how much? Nearly $2,000. I didn't even know the last time I checked how much still, but everything I go sky high. But I'm not really too worried myself still, because as I say, once you start something, you're bound to finish it. So, and I like somebody to have it in my brain. So I want to build a house. And don't start it. Me start it. So I have to finish it. Right? It have to done. From it starting, people, I go finish it. Yeah, I know sweat and tears, struggles, you have to worry about work, man, and teeth, things them are them not do the thing good. But at the end of the day, when I go and sit down in your place and you say, your place, this is my place. Right? Nobody can run me out of my house. Right? The landlord can't give me no notice. Tell me say, me evict the place. It's my place. Right? You can't hand it down to your kids then. Right? Same way so. So people, me are telling you, don't give up. Because me not give up. Right? Don't give up. I leave me with that still. Alright? So I know what to do. So you can show me some love by subscribing to my channel and liking the video as well. And also sharing it as well. Because that's how we're gonna get it out there. Right? Because we have to unite. Right? So guys, until the next time. Alright? Bless you. Don't move.